Today we are making over this living room for free. We're gonna move everything around, clean everything, and it's gonna be an experiment, but we're actually going to be splitting this living room into 2 different sections. Yeah. Join us today as we get to work on this project. Yay. I'm gonna start this by getting the plants out of here because they're kind of in the way.
All right, let's see if I can lift this one.
Don't hurt yourself.
Okay, I got this one, the little one. I
got the biggie. Gotta try not to smash it.
Let's just put them all along this wall over here.
This 3-drawer organizer we found super inexpensive a while back at Target.
Yeah.
And this is gonna be part of the plan for moving this room around.
Using that later. Stay tuned and you'll see where it goes.
We will be organizing.
Why do you have a drawer in your living room?
Why? You will find out. I'm going to get this out of here.
Okay. Good thing they have handles. I will remove the pillows. All right. There's a blanket on the couch that could go.
I'm going to just get this out of the way and maybe we should push it down there for now.
Should we vacuum back there first?
Maybe. Well, let's move all this and then we'll vacuum.
Okay.
So we'll just drag this. I think.
Oh, we have a lot of moving to do.
This is heavy. Okay. For now, this might not be part of this living room. I'm not sure if it'll fit or not. So for now, it's going to live somewhere else.
Put it aside. Okay. So we're not only going to move this couch, we're going to move the rug.
Yes.
So to do that, we have to get the couch off the rug.
That's true.
Ay, ay, ay.
You are right. I'm going to get this out of here. And I really want to make this living room into 2 separate areas. So we'll have the living room, watching TV area
closer,
halfway. And then this half will be a place where we can have a crafting.
We could call it the fun zone.
Yes, the fun zone, the crafting section.
Yeah.
And I have a full blog post on all of this and why I'm doing it, what it is. So I'm going to link that down below and it's on my blog. So we're going to start moving this couch.
So you just pull it apart?
Yeah.
Let's see what's under. I see an army man.
Okay.
2 army men.
Okay.
What do I do?
Why is this not coming off? Oh, there we go.
Okay. Should I drag it here?
Yeah, maybe. Just there. That's good.
Yeah. Let me get the vacuum out of the way or it's going to be stuck.
Okay. I'm already out of breath and tired. So
we should be wearing those big things that the movers wear, the belts.
Yes.
Kidney belts or back belts or whatever they're called. I don't know.
Hey,
look, the missing measuring tape. Everybody's looking for that. It should be
called Save Your Back.
I know.
Save your back. I'm noticing things on this couch like a big pen mark. Now,
2 army men, that's not bad, and 1 measuring tape.
You never know what you're going to find when you move a couch.
Oh. Some Lego, of course.
Push this to the corner back here.
Okay. Lego, money.
This part of the couch is so heavy.
Oh, hey, you could use this.
A chip clip. Anytime I make over an area and do stuff like this, move stuff around, I always find this a great opportunity to clean, at least vacuum this rug. And everything under the couch. And comment below what you're doing for summer. What are your summer plans? Are you making over your living room? Let us know. As I'm vacuuming this rug, I'd like to ask you all a question that you can comment on down below. That is, I've been doing most of my videos for the last 3 months or so with my mom, and I love doing that. She loves being in them. But then someone asked if I'm ever going to do solo videos again. So I'd really love to know, do you guys want me to start making solo videos again as well as the ones with my mom? Or would you rather see us both working together on projects and only solo ones once in a blue moon?
Under that couch, we found popcorn, candy, and chips. It's like going to the movies. I think what we should do is we'll pull it forward, kind of roll it a little bit, and then move that couch over in that empty space. I'll show you. Look.
She's doing it. Okay.
Doing it.
Wait, don't pull it. I'm standing on it. Okay.
There. Now get that couch over there.
Okay, gotcha.
And then we can twist the... There. Oh, look, more
candy wrappers.
More candy wrappers.
Look at us. Well, we weren't filming us doing that, but I'll catch you up on what happened. She vacuumed as I moved the rug around.
It wasn't working.
It was not filming. That is.
Did we twist it already?
I did.
Oh, okay. So bring this all to the wall.
And we are on a time crunch here with this project because I want it done before the kids get home from school today. And we're on the last week of school, so there's a time crunch here.
So you'll leave this walkthrough area open, right? You won't put the rug where
So I'm thinking
it fits perfectly
of having it straight hard up to the wall here.
That's a good idea.
This couch is kind of an L, but it's more of a V than an L. It's kind of curved in the middle.
Right.
And my idea is to have it curve like that.
Instead of like this, it's going to be like this.
We'll
towards
see.
The screen.
If that doesn't work, we can always do the L. If it doesn't work the way I'm thinking.
Leave it open that way. Yeah.
I'll leave it open this way. Before I get any comments, I know that this is not the ideal way to do a living room. I already know that. And I know we're going to be really close to the TV. I know all those things. But this is for a specific
This is a
summer theme here. If you want to hold the rug down kind of, and I'll push. No, I mean, just stand here. She's holding the rug down.
My weight should hold it down.
I think it's got to come closer. Like I said, I don't know if this is going to work.
So let me see. If I was sitting here watching TV, it's like, wow, this is nice and close. Yeah, this is perfect. If all the kids want to watch a special show, they can all sit here with their popcorn, candy, and chips.
Everything we found under the couch today.
Yeah.
Or is it better before we hook them all together? Or is it better to have it go the L?
No.
Don't worry. This is not going into, what is it?
Better Homes and Gardens.
Better Homes and Gardens. It's not happening. Definitely not.
Yeah.
This one goes onto that one, and this one goes onto this one. So
yeah, that'd be good there. One extra person can sit
or
here.
even you can turn this top over and put a
table,
drink
like a
there
table.
or something. Here's my question now. We've got the entertainment area here. I always had it in my head that this chair would go in this corner, but now I'm wondering if it should go in this corner.
Maybe, so the sunlight will be over the art area.
That's probably better.
Yeah, that's the quiet. You put the lamp over there with the chair.
Okay. Later in this video, I got a green machine, and we are going to attempt to clean this chair.
Yes.
I am so excited to see how it's going to turn out.
Yeah.
Because this chair is filthy, and I've tried other things in the past, so I got the green machine and I'm excited. My kids are all so different. My middle son loves to read, and while my oldest son is super thankful to be out of school and doesn't want to hear the word reading or homework, my middle son is excited about this reading nook and ready to read for the summer.
Just barely. Yep. There you go.
You can't fully lay back, but you know what? And this chair is ripping here too.
Uh-oh.
But whatever. I already got rid of the other one. This chair had a twin, and
it was way dirtier.
Got rid of that. I'm borrowing the pop-up table from my mom for the summer. And then if she needs it, of course, we'll just take it back to your house if you need it.
I think we take it camping with us.
Okay, so we'll just break it down when we do that. We forgot it at her house, so.
We'll have to go get the car. It's in the back of my car.
It's in your car. We were ready, but then we forgot.
Okay, we'll go get it.
So we'll have to go get that. I'm going to grab out all of the crafting stuff, and we're going to organize that into the drawers.
Yeah,
so that
into
way,
the drawers.
My whole goal here is that we're trying to have a less screen summer.
Yeah.
So less TV, all that kind of stuff. And you can't just do that without giving the kids something to do.
Yeah.
So my idea is that we'll have the reading little nook here, and then we'll have all the crafting things so they can just get into it themselves, do it themselves.
I have a good idea. My brain's ticking while you're talking. I'm listening to you. They can do art, and we can tell them that they can each put up one art onto your Etsy and see if anybody buys them, and they get to keep the money.
Ooh, that would be fun.
Yeah, let them sell their art, give them the boys page section, and
That
let
would
them,
be fun.
so they'll do really good. They'll compete, and if they got money for it.
Ooh, they would love that. That would be fun.
Yeah, why don't we do that?
I think that's a great idea.
Okay, cool.
They can sell their art if they want.
Yeah, summer art.
And it's funny because ever since I've been talking to them about this, like, okay, we're going to come up with a plan for summer. Them and their little friends out, in the neighborhood have been scheming and coming up with ideas of what to do this summer. And they've already said they're starting their own basketball camp.
Okay.
They're going to have their own basketball. And then they've been making bracelets.
Oh, yeah.
That they plan to sell for 4th of July.
Oh, good.
I don't know who they're probably selling it to me, and you.
Yeah, but there's always a bunch of people on this block that have parties, and they could.
Maybe they'll want to buy a bracelet for 50 cents or something.
Yeah.
So it's fun. I'm not a huge fan of mopping, but I do like this cedar mop, which I will link down below. So when I do decide to mop, this is the one I use. You got the same one.
I got one like that, And then it came with 2 mop heads. And so I gave one to Dad, his own mop head, because he wants to mop his garage.
Oh,
and he did, and it's filthy now, but it's just, so he has his, I have one for the house. He has his mop head, but we share the same bucket and we both love it. It's way easier.
Because before she didn't have a mop, she used her foot with a rag. So that's why it's way easier to have a mop.
Yeah, here we go.
This is better than it was. Here is the pop-up table.
Are we against the window?
Yeah. Is that locked straight?
Yeah, it is. It's just kind of old.
Yeah.
It's kind of like fine. Me, can't straighten my back up. It can't straighten out. Okay, here we go.
If there were more kids, we could pull the table out and they could go around the whole thing. There's plenty of room.
They could play cards there.
So many things.
They could build Lego there.
I have this tablecloth, which this would be the one they would do the crafting on. We would leave this on. Just so we don't destroy your table with, you know.
Yeah, let me go on this side.
Stuff. And then this one I'm going to put on top just for looks, just to make it fun for them.
Oh, good idea. Yeah.
And to make it not so ugly. So is that all used paper?
No.
Okay, so then I got all this brand new paper.
Look at this, tons of this line paper down here. Did you know that?
Because somebody opened it when they shouldn't have. So I think I'm going to put this then back in the drawer.
Yes.
This will be the backup.
Yes, you've got a lot of this. You know what they're going to need? You're going to have to let them have them. Look at me.
Oh, okay.
Scissors.
No, we don't do scissors.
Yes, you do. You have to do scissors if you're crafting.
I don't want Levi doing scissors, but the older kids know where they are. Those will get out when we're ready to do something.
Okay. They have to check the scissors out, and then there has to be a safety on it so nobody cuts their finger off. And then an alarm, so if Levi gets close to it, then it goes off.
Okay, I'm a freak about scissors because
I know.
I don't want to have kids running with scissors. Kids just do weird stuff. I do have a system. I hide the scissors.
I have scissors like in every drawer in my house. I have scissors.
I hide the knives too.
Yeah.
We've had these for a long time. I think these came from IKEA.
Oh, there's dust in them.
They
Don't
came
turn
from
them
IKEA.
over.
But anyhow, so I'm going to have these out here so when they pull their stuff out, they can have it on the,
We've got,
on the thing.
Yeah, all this is trash except for that one painting I just had there from Levi Calvin.
This all just kind of, I don't want to say stresses me out, but a little bit.
Nah.
Yeah.
Let's throw this out.
Some stuff's kind of organized a little bit.
Oh yeah, this was my
watercolor crayons. Okay, so those are good.
glue. It's out. All the glue's out. Here's a brush.
Oh my goodness. Look, we have the complete book of art ideas.
That would be great for them to do.
Where did this even come from? You?
I bought that. Betty and I were shopping in Pasadena, and I thought that was cool.
I'm sure I've seen it, but I don't remember this.
Yeah.
It was just put in
We
here.
could do those projects too.
Well, how fun. We could be doing these projects. This is some good inspiration for this summer.
Yeah.
So we will put this in a drawer. Maybe the book section. This is good. This is good. Whale. Okay, well, we could keep this. Maybe someone wants to paint these.
Right.
This I think should go.
These are handy for when you're doing your. These are handy. When I give them their art class, I will show them how to do that. Then they can go like that and see how it looks. Yeah.
This is trash. This doesn't fit anybody.
There's so much lined paper. Did you know you had all this lined paper in here?
I did know that I had a lot, but it wasn't all meant to be opened. Somebody opened it that shouldn't have opened it. Put all the brushes in here. I'm going to throw all this away. Recycle it, I mean. Paper. Here's more watercolors. Here's another baby. Maybe the other one did fit him and this one didn't fit him. No, I don't think either of them fit him. This is good for just mopping up when something spills.
Yes.
And then all of this is going to go. This
is pretty used up. Let's keep the brush.
This one too is almost empty. This is too small anyway for everybody.
Yes.
What is with this glue?
This only has purple. I'm getting rid of it. You can see the colors they use because Levi paints. First thing he paints is all the black and all the red. And then...
Okay, Levi is so funny. He actually will make the prettiest art, all of these beautiful colors, and then he takes black and he covers the whole piece of art with black. This looks bad.
There's just enough of each one to save them. Okay, I'm going to put all the paints in here in the top drawer.
This was something from, this is so crazy. I'm going to probably put this away. This was something from Grandma Olson. It's all of these super tiny dice. You get the idea.
Traveling dice.
Why are they so tiny though?
I don't know.
I mean, I've never seen a dice this tiny.
And then she fit it all in this
the tiniest
little tiny leather pouch.
It's the craziest.
Oh, there's still one in there. There's one even, the tiny.
They're so tiny.
Teeny tiny.
But they're cool. That's why I kept them.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone thinks I declutter everything, and I don't. This, to me, is kind of a neat thing.
Plus, it was your grandma's.
And it was my grandma's, so I think it's cool. I keep this, but I'm putting it back with my stuff. I don't know how it got out here.
We've got to find a better... I'll find another container. I have a container that would fit the brushes at home. Not this bag, but it needs I have a long thing to put it in.
So I'll just keep these in here.
Oh, more brushes. Okay, cool. Put this in the trash.
So I'm going to obviously keep these bins because we're not going to have this set up like this forever. This is just for summer. So I will put this back in the closet. These fit in here. So that's great because then when they're ready, they can pull them out.
Just stand all their brushes in there and
have it on the table when they're doing their craft. And we're making a list of what we need to have to fill it up for the crafts.
Yes.
Paper, glue. I forget.
I'm reluctant to bring markers out here.
As you just said, we're not storing everything out here.
Okay.
This is just the supplies, so they don't have to be going into the hall, but then they can still bring stuff out from their rooms.
Okay.
Whatever they need.
That's a good idea.
Okay, so now what's next on the agenda? I want to clean this chair, I know that. One dilemma I have right now is where are my trees going to live? I'm going to pull the orange thing out and see if I can fit this back here.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Does that fit? Yeah, that looks good, huh?
Yeah.
And then the orange thing's here, so that's fine.
Something I've wanted to do for a long time is clean this chair, and a lot of you actually recommended the green machine. So I got the Bissell Little Green Mini Cordless Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner in case you're interested, and I will have this linked down below. I cleaned the chair. I was shocked by how well this worked, and I decided to try it on our runner rug in the hall, and it worked excellent on that too. So I'm highly recommending this if you need something to clean your carpets, and I will have it linked on this video. We added the boys 3 chairs from their bedrooms, and of course they can pull them back to their bedroom if they want to, but it's working great to have them out here. And this is how we organize all the painting supplies. The paint and brushes are in the top, and then the middle section we're still going to fill up after we go to the store, and then we're going to have paper and maybe games on the bottom, and everything is set up in a way for them to use that's very simplified. I really don't mind the way this looks, and it turns out that we really like sitting closer to the TV. It's pretty funny. I feel like our TV doubled in size. So I'm super happy with the way this turned out, and I'm very thankful that my mom was able to help me on this project.
What do you think about this makeover?
I think it's fun. I think it's going to be a fun summer here. I think it's great. We did it. It's very simple and clean, and it's going to be a good summer.
I'm excited. I feel like this will give us all something to do in the day where it's not just watch TV or be sweating outside because it gets so hot here in the summer. I have a full blog post on how we are doing this summer in case you are interested in looking into that as a mom or a grandma, kind of just get some ideas on ways to structure the summer. And thank you so much for joining us on this living room makeover. Yeah, it was fun. And if you're new here, you can hit the subscribe button to join the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.